All right, everyone, I just wanted to let you know of a resource guide that I have embedded in Blackboard. So if you will go under your weeks, down towards the bottom, you'll see a research guide. This research guide directly links you to the library. This is actually the teacher education library page, so it has all of the information and different resources regarding teacher education and the library connected. The reason I uploaded this is it gives you a direct link to articles and journals. So if you were researching a topic, for example, teaching self-efficacy in the classroom, which is one of our projects that is happening in Education 650, and then when you click on that, it's going to pull up all the articles associated with that topic. The next thing you probably want to do is go ahead and click on full text, as well as peer reviewed, and as well as probably in the last 10 years. Now sometimes you'll want to go down under geography and click, you can click United States, which will minimize it even more. It just depends on how many are popping up. So you can click let me do that one more time and it'll pop that up. And you click United States. That's going to limit the articles to ones that are studies that have been done in the United States. So if you notice up here, right here, Rural High School Teacher Self-Efficacy and Student Engagement Instructional Strategies and Classroom Management. So you could click on this, and then you should, again, you've clicked full PDF, so you're going to have that option there. Over here to the right, which is not in my screen, but you can see, let's see if I can move my screen over just a little bit. You can see right over here, you can print it, you can email it, you can save it, you can cite it, many different options here. So this is just called the course resource guide, and I've just done that library link. You're also welcome to just go to the MSSU library and you'll find the same searching capacity, but this is just a little more handy and I wanted to let you know about it. So I hope this helps. Let me know if you need any more help regarding your review of literature or any parts of your paper.